Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to log in into Discovery Bank on iPhone in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Unlock your iPhone. Unlocking your iPhone using Face ID or Touch ID. Make sure you are connected to internet using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Step 2. Open the Discovery Bank app. Tap the Discovery Bank app on your home screen. You will see the login welcome screen. Step 3. Enter your login details. On the login screen, enter your Discovery ID or user. Next, tap your password. If prompt, enable Face ID or Touch ID for quicker logins in the future. Step 4. Complete security verification. For security, you may need to confirm with Face ID, enter a one-time PIN OTP sent to your phone, or approve the log in the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to continue. Step 5. Access your account. Once verified, you will be logged into your Discovery Bank dashboard where you can view balance, make payments, transfer money, manage cards and rewards. Step 6. If you need help, if you forgot your password, tap forgot password. Follow the steps to reset it securely. And that's how you can log in into Discovery Bank on iPhone, and that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.